Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn the different types of error correction mechanisms. So there is only one error correction mechanism, that is Hamming code distance. So now we will see the theory part about the error correction mechanisms. In the next video we will see a problem on the error correction mechanism. So what is the difference between error detection and correction? So in the case of the error detection, so we are just finding whether there is any error or not in the given message. So if the message is having an error, then the receiver won't accept, it will discard. It will simply discard the message, right? So here in the error detection mechanism, it will accept the code word, that is the message, and the checker will check whether there is any error or not. So if there is any error, then it will consider it as invalid and it will discard the message. If the message is not having any errors, then it will take it as valid and it will accept the message. But in the case of the error correction mechanism, the checker will take the code word, that is the message, and it will accept the message only when the given message is error free. That means if there is no errors in the given message, okay, it will be valid and it will accept. If the message is having any error, then it will consider it as invalid and it won't discard the message. Instead, it will guess the correct code word. For the error correction mechanism, it will guess the code word instead of discarding the message. So that is the main difference between the error detection and correction. So error detection is much more difficult than the error correction mechanism. Okay, so now we will correct the errors here using the Hamming distance. The Hamming distance between two words is the number of differences between the corresponding bits. So we know the even and odd parity, right? Similarly here, the Hamming distance means the Hamming distance between two words is the number of difference between the corresponding bits. So we are taking the two words here, that is 000 and 011. So what is the difference between the corresponding bits? So here the first 0 is same, and second, in the second position 0 here is there and 1, and 0 and 1. So there is a two difference between these two code words, right? So 2, we are writing the 2. And similarly for the next one, so if you want to perform the Hamming distance here, so 10101. So first one bit is same, and second bit there is a change of data. So 0 is there and 1 is there. So 1 difference is there. So next 1, so it is same, and 0 1, so it is different, right? And 1 0, it is also different. That means there are 3 Hamming distances between the given two code words. So Hamming distance means the difference between the corresponding bits, that is at the corresponding positions of the code word bits, is called as the Hamming distance. So what is meant by minimum Hamming distance? The minimum Hamming distance is the smallest Hamming distance between all possible pairs in the set of words. Okay, suppose in a example, in the given example, so we are having the two sets of the code words, right? So in the possible pairs, so what is the minimum Hamming distance? 2 is the minimum Hamming distance, right? So minimum Hamming distance means it is the smallest Hamming distance between all the possible pairs in a set of words. Find the minimum Hamming distance of the codes D of 00, 011. So to find the minimum Hamming distance here, so the difference is 000 and 011. So here this one is having difference and this one is having difference. So here the difference is 2 for the first one, right? So for the second one, so 000 and 101. So 000 and 101. So here we are having two differences here, right? So the minimum Hamming distance is 2. So the Hamming distance is 2. So next one, 111 and 000. So these two code words are completely different. right? So what is the difference here? Hamming distance 3. So now in the given code word pairs, so what is the minimum Hamming distance? That is 2, right? Minimum Hamming distance between set of pairs is 2. So in this manner, we will find the Hamming distance and minimum Hamming distance in order to find the in order to correct the errors in the given message. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.